Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today I'm going to be doing a very fun opening hobby box of 2020 Topps Archive Signature Series. I've opened one box of this and I really enjoyed it, so I picked up some online from Cards Infinity. And let's go ahead and open one. I bought some other boxes too. We'll open those in some other videos. But let's go ahead and see what we get. These are really cool. They come in a mag holder, and it's a buyback card that's autographed by the player. I got my handy little cover here. All right, so we got our card empty box. Okay, let's see who we get. A rookie card of somebody on the Twins. 56 out of 99, Bowman. Max Kepler. That's pretty cool. He definitely could have a nice year. The Twins look like they're a pretty good team. There's what the back looks like. And that one is actually out of 56 out of 99, so Max Kepler. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.